All right, good morning to you all. This is a breakdown on how we got this trade on Jump 75. I dropped this Jump 75 in the group last night. So, this is on the smallest account we have presently. And this is Jump 75. This is from the monthly. You already know this, right? The weekly, the monthly, the blah, blah, blah. So, this is from the monthly that gives me the general view. As you can see, I drew a line from the very top. You see? Something around there. Are you getting? So we drew something from here, then what made me scatter this line? Okay, something from there and to here. Okay, now we have a little shift here already, so we can just adjust. It's not really something hard. We can just adjust. Are you getting? So we have a perfect touch, and for the down as well. For this down as well, we have a perfect touch. Yeah, and we have one here. So now I'm done with that. Then I'm just going to come to my weekly. Which other trend do I draw from weekly? Okay, this is still the trend. This one, this upper trend is this particular trend is from the monthly. This same one. Come on, let me use something you can relate with easily. This particular one is still from the monthly, so we don't need to draw anything from there because I'm still seeing something. So what else? This okay, so that means nothing was drawn. This one is not from the monthly actually. This is from the lower time frame. So we have something like that. And we come this way. Okay, there's nothing to draw from the weekly. Oh, okay, sorry. This line, this particular line was drawn from the weekly. Just this one right here. That particular line because it joined from somewhere around there to yeah. As you can see. So that's it for that. You see just one line there. Then what's wrong? Then coming to the daily now. I'm not sure anything was not drawn from the daily. And you can still even pick that same line we draw from the weekly on the daily so that you can have a very, very nice one. Or you can just readjust. You see that they might not fit when you come to your lower time frame. You just adjust the trend line well to fit. You see? So we still have a very perfect one. You don't have to mess up your trend line because you want to analyze. Are you getting what I'm saying? So yeah, you have something like this. And now we're on daily. We come to our H4. So from the H4, yeah, the H4 was the time frame that gave us this particular trend line, this confirmation trend line. The H4 gave me this confirmation trend line. So you see, you draw it right from here. This is the first touch here. Then you make it touch one. If I say we should do it this way, if we do it this way, the trade has invalidated. That's invalidated here. It's cutting through many candles. I don't know if you can see. It's cutting through many candles down. It's not making sense. So you just have to readjust. That's why I say patience in trading is crazy. So you see, it's cutting through only just one candle here. And I think we have a perfect one. So you just have to readjust to make sure that it's touching. Are you getting? And you see, just boom. That's how crazy this thing is. And sometimes, you can come to your 15 minutes. Come to 1 hour, come to 15 minutes and check like, okay, I'm doing well. But at least I stopped this confirmation on the 4 hours. And you see, just like what we always post there, this is your double top. It's not necessary that it's double top, but this is a double top confirmation here. So that means the market is going to reverse. Are you getting me? And this is where the market changes character. The market changes character here at this particular side. Are you getting? It changed the character there because this market was buying. The market was buying from that down to this top before. You understand me? It was buying before it started shifting to the down. So that means it changed character. Changing of character is when the market change the trend. You understand? Break of structure is when the market continues a trend. Like everything happening here now. Everything happening here is just break of structure. The market is coming down, going up, coming down, going up, but it's still an uptrend market. But here, the market has completely changed style from going up You understand? On this particular line now, to coming down, it has reversed. So that's the change of character. And you enter your trade. You set your SL. You can actually put your SL here. If you know you are scared, maybe you are just a starter. You get, but your TP will be at any point that the market touches. Sometimes the market might not even touch and it will not get to your destination. So you have to always watch your trade sometimes. You understand? But this one should come here without any error. So here now you are risking $20 for you're risking $20 for $20 for $73. So that's just how crazy trading is. You see how simple everything is. It's just like as if I'm jobless, something very, very easy. So that's how easy it is to analyze the market. But the first thing is for you to know how to make use of your trend line. You must know how to draw trend line, because it is the trend line that will give you that, okay, you are seeing something good, you are seeing something like this, you are seeing a buy or you are seeing a sell. And you see this double top is a very, very good confirmation for me, and my mind is very, very relaxed on this trade. Like, yes, this trade is going to come surely, this particular double top. Because if you remember the chart pattern, double top is a chart pattern. They are shape that are formed over time when market has range, like it has gone up, gone down, buy, sell, and there's a shape that forms. Shape. Just know that when a shape forms, so that's just that about that. You see how easy it is. So now we just have to wait for our TP today and make sure that the market hits. Goodbye. See you guys tonight. So that's all on this trade. And for now, I think the market should this market is doing $9 already. Okay. This market is about, let's say, 1:3.8 or something. So that's that. So you can replicate the same chart and send to the admin.